Blaming customers and offering no recourse is a dangerous business strategy. Martin shares negative experience with Uber's grocery delivery, highlighting incorrect items received, inconvenient replacement process, and unhelpful customer support, contrasting with Instacart's more efficient handling.
I had a bad experience with Uber for grocery delivery. I decided to try them because they offered me a deal on Uber One, even though I had been using Instacart. The app worked well for placing the grocery order, and it was delivered quickly from Walmart. However, 2 of the items I ordered were incorrect. Uber has a process for picking replacements, but it was inconvenient as I had to choose replacements for each item manually. In contrast, Instacart notifies you if an item will be replaced, and you can decide whether or not to accept the replacement without further action. Uber shopper simply replaced the 2 items with something I didn't want. They insisted that I had ordered the items because the brand was the same, even though the item was different. For example, I ordered Black Forest ham but received honey ham instead, which I disliked. To make things worse, my past order wasn't available on the Uber app to compare and confirm if I made a mistake. When I contacted customer support through chat, I spoke with 2 different representatives who gave me the same response. What I ordered was what I got. This was frustrating because I couldn't even defend myself without being able to see the order details. Receiving incorrect grocery items and having to pay for them is extremely frustrating. But what's even more frustrating is not having any recourse to rectify the situation. If Uber wants to compete with Instacart in this area, they still have a lot of improvements to make based on my past experiences. Instacart handles replacements more effectively by assuming the customer is right. What should concern Uber executives is that their process for addressing client issues is opaque, and there is no easy way of escalating an issue that you were not able to resolve through their chatbot. It wasn't just a matter of an incorrect grocery item. Uber insulted my integrity by flatly insisting I was wrong. That is a dangerous thing for a corporation to do, even if the client is wrong. I strongly advise against using Uber for grocery delivery, as they will likely blame you if something goes wrong. Their customer support was extremely unhelpful, and I will never use their service again. Are you listening, Dara Khosrow Shahi? Do work you love. Monetize your story. Design your future. If you find this video useful, please like, comment, and subscribe.